Do you dream of a high-end kitchen but don't want to spend a fortune? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're sharing 10 clever design hacks that will make your kitchen look expensive without breaking the bank. Let's get started. 1. Upgrade your hardware. The easiest way to elevate your kitchen's look is by upgrading your cabinet hardware. Ditch outdated knobs and handles and replace them with sleek, modern finishes like gold, matte black, or brushed brass. These small details make a huge impact. Choose long, minimalistic handles for a contemporary look or vintage-style pulls for a timeless feel. Hardware is like jewelry for your kitchen, it adds personality and sophistication. Plus, it's an easy DIY project that takes minutes but transforms the space instantly. 2. Use under-cabinet lighting. Lighting plays a huge role in making a space feel luxurious. Under-cabinet lighting, especially LED strip lights, adds warmth and depth to your kitchen. It creates a soft glow, eliminating dark corners and giving a professional designer look. You can install battery-operated or plug-in LED lights that are easy to set up. Choose warm white for a cozy feel or bright white for a clean, modern touch. Not only does this improve visibility while cooking, but it also enhances the overall ambience of your kitchen. 3. Add a statement backsplash. A bold backsplash can instantly upgrade your kitchen's aesthetic. Whether you go for marble, a glossy subway tile, or a trendy herringbone pattern, a stylish backsplash creates a high-end feel. Stick-on tiles are a budget-friendly option if you're renting or not ready for a full renovation. Large tiles with minimal grout lines create a seamless, expensive look. If you want a touch of glamour, choose tiles with a slight sheen or metallic accent. Your backsplash should complement your countertops and cabinets for a cohesive, luxurious look. 4. Install crown molding. If you want your cabinets to look custom-made, crown molding is the answer. It's an easy way to add architectural interest and make your kitchen look more expensive. Installing trim at the top of your cabinets fills empty gaps and creates a polished, built-in look. You can paint it in the same color as your cabinets for a seamless finish or choose a contrasting shade for a bold effect. Even a simple molding upgrade can make basic cabinets look custom designed, adding elegance and character to your space. 5. Go for a two-tone cabinet look. Single-color cabinets are classic, but two-tone cabinets create a designer touch. Try a darker shade on the lower cabinets and a lighter tone on the uppers for contrast. Popular combinations include navy and white, beige and walnut, or even deep green and brass accents. This layering effect adds depth and sophistication to your kitchen. If you're not ready to repaint all your cabinets, start with just the island or a single section for a stylish, high-end feel. 6. Swap out standard faucets for a high-end look. The faucet is a small detail that makes a big statement in your kitchen. A modern, high-end faucet with a sleek design can instantly upgrade the entire space. Matte black, brushed gold, and polished chrome are popular choices that add a touch of luxury. A gooseneck or pull-down faucet not only looks stylish but is also more functional. This simple change elevates even the most basic sink setup, making your kitchen feel more refined and expensive. 7. Declutter and style your countertops. A cluttered countertop makes even the most beautiful kitchen feel messy. Keep your counters minimal and intentional. Store appliances you don't use daily and only display stylish essentials. A chic wooden cutting board, a glass jar filled with pasta, or a small vase with fresh flowers can instantly make your kitchen look like a designer showroom. Use decorative trays to group items together for a clean, organized look. Less is more when it comes to creating a luxurious feel. 8. Add high-end bar stools. Your seating choice can completely change the look of your kitchen. Swapping out basic bar stools for high-end designs in velvet, leather, or metal can make your space feel more luxurious. Choose stools with sleek legs, curved backs, or metallic accents for an elegant touch. Even if your kitchen is simple, stylish seating adds a designer element that makes the entire space feel more upscale. If you're on a budget, reupholstering your current stools with high-quality fabric is an easy way to upgrade them. 9. Upgrade your lighting fixtures. Lighting is one of the most overlooked elements in kitchen design, but it has a huge impact. Swap out standard ceiling fixtures for statement pendant lights or a modern chandelier. Oversized pendants in glass, gold, or industrial metal instantly give a high-end feel. Even simple globe lights or brass sconces can elevate the space. Layered lighting such as a mix of recessed, under cabinet, and statement lighting creates a luxurious, well-lit atmosphere that makes your kitchen feel custom designed. 10. Introduce open shelving with chic decor. Open shelving is a great way to make your kitchen look modern and high-end. Removing a few cabinet doors and styling shelves with chic dinnerware, glassware, and greenery creates an airy, designer look. Stick to a neutral color palette with stylish ceramic bowls, gold-rimmed glasses, and woven baskets for storage. The key is to keep it minimal. Too much clutter can make open shelves look messy instead of elegant. Use floating shelves with hidden brackets for a sleek, seamless appearance. With these simple yet effective design hacks, you can make your kitchen look expensive without a costly renovation. Which tip are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design inspiration. See you in the next video.